So guys, now you can see here I have a action camera, and if you want to also add this one, this kind of camera case, so in this video I'll teach you how can you put your camera case inside your action camera. So first of all, I'm going to remove this one. So now you can see here is my action camera, right? So now you can see here. Okay, so if I want to put this action camera inside my camera case, what to do? So first of all, you have to take your action camera. So after this, just put this one like this. After this, just cover your action camera from this one, and now you can see here, just you have to bring this one, okay, and you have to fold it like this, and you have to place this one like this. Okay, oh, it's not working. So now you can see here there is a problem, right? So for this one, just you have to insert this one. Okay, so now you can see you have to insert like this and just bring here and press from here. Now your action camera is inside your camera case. That's it.